Governor Jeff Landry floats the idea of impeaching a federal judge.
The comments come after Judge Susie Morgan, who oversees implementation of the NOPD consent decree, criticized state police leaders. David Jones reports.
It's a very, very rare thing.
On Monday, Governor Jeff Landry posted to his official social media accounts proposing a sitting federal judge, Susie Morgan, be impeached. Quote, I've long taken issue with the federal court's involvement in purely state matters such as policing. Maybe it's time for our U.S. House delegation to look at impeaching Judge Morgan for her prolonged mishandling of the NOPD consent decree.
The consent decree is an agreement between the Department of Justice, the City of New Orleans, and the New Orleans Police Department. And for the past 11 years, the police department has been attempting to achieve substantial compliance.
Landry went on to write, quote, she has distorted the law, decimated the ranks of NOPD, and handcuffed police rather than criminals.
The judge's comments, I think, were inappropriate and off base and an overreach.
Rafael Goyeneche is president of the Metropolitan Crime Commission. He says comments made by Judge Morgan during a consent decree hearing last week took things too far.
She began by commenting that the Louisiana State Police are not subject to this consent decree or to her purview. But she went on to say, but I'm watching.
Morgan was talking about the new state police troop NOLA, still in the process of being established. Morgan was critical of LSP's transparency with the public over how it plans to coordinate with NOPD, adding, quote, it likewise is true no one wants to return to the practices that brought about the consent decree in the first place. But Goyeneche says the comments do not rise to an impeachable level.
The fact that the NOPD is on the cusp of total compliance with the consent decree, with the state police having been here during the entirety of this, suggests that the judge's comments were inappropriate and off base.
It is astounding that a sitting governor, who was also the chief legal officer of a state, would make such a silly statement.
Fox 8 legal analyst Joe Responti says he was shocked when he saw the governor's comments.
You have to prove high crimes and misdemeanor. You have to get impeached by the House and convicted by the jury, which is the Senate. In the history of the United States of America, 250 years, there's only been 8 judges that have been impeached.
Responti says the last federal judge to be impeached was Judge G. Thomas Porteous of New Orleans in 2010 for corruption.
To imply that this judge did anything remotely near high crimes and misdemeanors is just mind-boggling. Just because you didn't get your way, you can't take your ball and go home. This is really a silly thing to even suggest.
We did reach out to the governor's office, NOPD, and Judge Morgan for comment, but did not receive any responses. During Porteous's impeachment, the Senate found he had taken money from parties with business in the court, lied in a bankruptcy filing, and concealed corruption during his Senate confirmation.